In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make Monopoly Go faster. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. First, I want to address the two types of fast that people might be referring to. If you want to play the actual game faster and make the aspects of the board and all the events go by quicker, unfortunately, I do not think there is a way to do so. You cannot increase the speed of the actual game. The other type of fast that other people might be referring to is to make the game run better if you are having trouble running it on your phone. So in this video, besides talking about just speeding up the actual velocity or speed in which the game plays, I'm going to give you some tips so you can get better performance while playing Monopoly Go on your phone. First, if you are having issues with performance, the game is lagging, the first thing that you must do is close down any applications that are running on the background that you are not using. If you have plenty of applications running on the background while you play Monopoly Go, it is going to slow down considerably. So by closing all unused applications, you are going to make Monopoly Go faster by giving it more resources from your phone to run the game. So this is the most basic thing that you can do. Besides this, you will notice that there aren't a lot of settings related to graphical quality or improving the performance inside of the game itself. It is already quite easy to run on most modern devices, but if you are still having trouble, you can consider cleaning up the storage of your phone or going into the settings and browsing through your apps. In there, you will be able to find Monopoly Go, and by going into the app options, you can clear the cache and clear other data. Alongside this, like I said, you can actually clear the general storage of your phone. But besides all of these methods, which are very basic, Monopoly Go is already super easy to run, so you will not encounter any trouble while trying to make Monopoly Go faster on any device. I hope I was able to help you on how to make Monopoly Go faster. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.